Hello students, today I am going to discuss how to get the vector that joins the 2 points that are in the space. So for this purpose, let's consider a three-dimensional right-handed rectangular coordinate system. So suppose this is the right-handed rectangular coordinate system in which the O is the origin, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. And now let's suppose there are 2 points A and B that are having the coordinates as x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 respectively. Okay, so A is having the coordinate x1, y1, z1 and B is having the coordinate x2, y2 and z2. So with respect to this origin O, suppose OA vector, that is the position vector of the point A with respect to origin O, and the position vector of point B with respect to origin O is OB vector, and we want to get the vector that joins the points A and B. Clear? Also, let's suppose that the I cap be the unit vector along the x-axis, j cap is the unit vector along the y-axis, and k cap is the unit vector along the z-axis. So we have studied earlier that how to get the vector, how to write the vector in the component form. So here you see that we can write OA vector as x1 I cap, y1 j cap and z1 k cap. So this is the component form of the vector OA vector, that is the position vector of the point A with respect to origin O. The same way we can write OB vector as x2 I cap, y2 j cap and z2 k cap. Clear? Now we want to get AB vector. So you know, by the triangular law of addition of the vectors, we can get the value of AB vector as AB vector equal to position vector of B minus position vector of point A. So here you see that the position vector of B point is OB vector and position vector of A is OA vector. Okay, so OB vector may be written as x2 I cap, y2 j cap, z2 k cap, and OA vector means x1 I cap, y1 j cap and z1 k cap. On the simplification we will have x2 minus x1 I cap by 2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. So this is the vector AB vector which was required. Okay, so AB vector is the vector that joins the 2 points A and B, and AB vector here it is written in the component form. Now let's discuss how to get the magnitude of this point AB. So we can get the magnitude of this AB as x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square, and it can easily be proved using the Pythagoras relation that the magnitude of the AB joins the 2 points A and B will be given by this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. So this way we learnt that how to get the vector that joins 2 points having the coordinates x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. In the next video we will discuss the section formula, in which we will discuss the position vector of the point that joins the combination of the 2 points in the ratio that is externally or internally. Means the point divides the given line segment internally or externally, and we have to find the position vector of that point. So we will discuss it in the next video. So till then, keep on watching.